In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a lead capture app in Glide. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, open your preferred web browser. Once your browser is open, navigate to the Glide website. On the Glide homepage, you'll find a prominent Login button. Click on that to access your account. After logging in, you'll see your existing apps. Click on the app you wish to edit to open it. Now, look at the left-hand sidebar in your Glide editor. You'll see a plus icon labeled Add in Navigation. Click this to add a new tab to your app's navigation. When prompted to select a data source, choose your Leads table. This will create a new tab that displays the data from your leads. With the new tab selected, examine the right-hand sidebar. Here you can choose a visual style for your new tab. Feel free to browse the options and pick one that fits your app's design. Next, back on the left-hand sidebar, click the plus icon again, this time labeled Add Component. From the list of available components, select Chart. This will add a visual representation of your lead data to the screen. Now, focus on the right-hand sidebar once more, where you can configure this new chart component. You can select the data you want to display, choose the chart type, and customize its appearance. Finally, once you're happy with how your lead capture app looks and functions, click the Publish button, located in the top right corner of your screen, to make your changes live. Thanks for watching! If you found this Glide tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more step-by-step app building guides. See you in the next video.